Manhole safety is something we need to take seriously in our industry. The light ring is a revolutionary new way to protect one of the most dangerous points in public infrastructure, the open manhole. Power it up with your Milwaukee M18 battery, and you've got 6,000 lumens of light shining straight down the manhole ready to work. Flip down the see-through lid and protect yourself, your team, and the public from harmful vapors and liquids. Fits 22 to 30-inch manholes and has a limited lifetime warranty on the structure. What are you waiting for? Put the light ring in your arsenal of tools today.